Hi, fourth grade. Here is Chapter 9, Lesson 14, Part 2 for Under the Sea. Here you have your vocabulary. Please go over it again. Here is Chapter 9 read aloud. You've already listened to it once, but you are welcome to listen to it again. You will definitely need your book because all of these questions, you will find your answers in the book. So make sure you have your reader. And then here we go. We've got some great, interesting questions to really help you get some deep understanding of this information. So lots of questions on seafloor spreading, the Mid-Atlantic Ridge, and then these were my favorites about the animals and where they live. Those are interesting. And about islands, trenches, mountains, and hydrothermal vents. Lots of questions about that. And what happens when tectonic plates collide. And then here, again, about the multiple adjectives. Remember the orange skies and shady clouds on my pillows. We made that poster, but then you have it right here to help you, where you have your like your subject and then the article, which is a or an or this. Then you usually have your opinion, and then size, shape, age or color, material, origin, and purpose, and then the noun that you are describing. Rarely do you have more than 2 or 3 of these. So she wears a pretty green, or wears she pretty a green dress, and you change it to she wears a pretty opinion, color, green, noun, dress. So you're going to get some practice with this. So here are some sentences, and then I have a few adjectives right here, and you pick 2 of them to put in the correct order. So the blank blank race car zipped around the track. And you have either new, Japanese, or fast. I don't care which 2 you pick, just make sure you put them in the correct order. All right? And they already put the comma there, so you can just write the 2 adjectives. Just make sure you put the comma in. Oh no, it says, sorry, you have to rewrite the sentence by adding in the 2. So rewrite the whole sentence and add the 2 new adjectives. Remember that comma. Then she looked at a blank blank book about volcanoes. And here you have 1, 2, 3, 4 to choose from. But you will just add 2. And then here's another one. And then here you pick which one is correct. Go back and look. I had to go back and look. And there's a few of those. And then write your own with at least 2 adjectives. And I put, don't forget the comma or commas, and put them in the correct order. And then here are some words for you to write a complete sentence for each word below. And be sure to use correct capitalization and punctuation. Now remember, we're going to have a spelling test tomorrow. So go over your words, read the definition, make sure on your choice board that you have finished your spelling part of the choice board. Make sure you have really looked at these words, split them into syllables, and broken them apart so that they're easy for you to spell.